Russo Pizzeria. Come take a look. We'll show you how we make our own dough. It's made fresh daily. Look, we make it fresh from scratch. All natural, fresh ingredients. We got dough, we got yeast, we got flour. We want to add extra butter, olive oil. We're going to use the premium flour to make our crust. This is all natural flour, right here. Right here. This is homemade pizza dough. There's not many pizzerias around town that make dough from scratch. It doesn't exist anymore. And we make it all in-house, the old school way, old-fashioned recipe. Extra virgin olive oil, fresh quality flour. We're gonna make the perfect New York style pizza crust at Russo's New York Pizzeria. Every location does this. This is why our pizza is the best in town. Come try it. Ciao.